Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are gonna learn how to appear offline in Golf Battle. If you want to appear offline in Golf Battle, then first of all launch open the Golf Battle game on your device and make sure you are inside the home page. After you are in, go ahead and click on your gear button at the top left corner and then you'll be able to see one menu that says show my online status to friend. To appear offline, tap on the on button right next to the option and make sure it is turned off. And now you will not be able to stay online or you will be shown as offline to your friends. That way you can easily appear offline in Golf Battle. Now you can enjoy Golf Battle quietly without being disturbed. Perfect for solo practice or focused gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.